There is a point in every human life. A point where everything you've been hiding from finally catches up to you. The distractions stop working. The excuses sound stupid. And the person in the mirror is no longer someone you're proud of. Most people call this rock bottom. But the truth is, this is the moment you finally wake up. Let me tell you a story. There was someone who spent years living on autopilot. Every morning they woke up tired, not because they lacked sleep, but because they lacked purpose. Their dreams delayed, their goals buried under fear, their confidence gone. But then one day, something happened. Not a dramatic accident, not a tragedy, just a simple, painful truth hitting them harder than anything ever had. If I don't change this now, I will lose myself forever. That day, they sat on the edge of their bed, tears in their eyes, finally admitting a truth they had avoided for years. I am the reason my life looks like this. It hurt. It broke them. But it also freed them. Because when you finally accept responsibility for your life, you unlock the power to rebuild it. And that was the moment their story changed forever. Here's the part nobody tells you. Pain is not the enemy. Pain is the invitation. The deep frustration you feel with your life, that heavy guilt, that sense of failure, it's not there to destroy you. It's there to wake you up. People think transformation begins with motivation. It doesn't. It begins with discomfort. Comfort keeps you the same. Pain forces you to evolve. The moment you say, I can't live like this anymore, that's when a new version of you is born. Your pain has always been trying to talk to you. This habit is killing you. These people are draining you. This life isn't your destiny. But you kept ignoring it. You hid behind entertainment, behind excuses, behind laziness. And every time you avoided pain, your potential died a little bit more. But listen carefully. Pain is not a sign that life is getting worse. It's a sign that you're about to change. Every strong person you admire, every successful, confident, disciplined version of yourself was forged through a season of discomfort. Pain is not punishment, it's preparation. So what do you do when life finally pushes you to the edge? 1. Let the pain speak. Stop avoiding it. Ask yourself, what exactly hurts and why? Clarity is the first step to transformation. 2. Make one brutal decision. Just one. Quit the habit, cut the distraction, delete the toxic person, start the thing you've been fearing. One decision can rewrite your entire identity. 3. Build a simple, unforgiving routine, not a perfect routine, a mandatory one. Wake up at the same time, exercise, read, work, repeat. Routine kills weakness. 4. Train your mind to love discomfort. Remind yourself daily, if it feels hard, it's making me stronger. Discomfort builds discipline. Discipline builds confidence. Confidence builds identity. 5. Track your progress, not your perfection. You don't need to become a new person in one day. You just need to be 1% better than yesterday. And over time, those tiny improvements turn into a completely transformed life. One day, you'll look back at this exact moment, this pain, this frustration, this heavy feeling in your chest, and you'll realize, this was the moment I woke up. This was the moment I chose to rise. This was the moment I finally met the real me. Pain didn't break you, it revealed you. And now, your new life begins.